Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the right place. Teams, desktop, or Teams. Microsoft. Make sure you're signed into the account you intend to change, and verify whether it's a work or personal account because the process differs. If you're in an organization, check whether admins lock name edits. If they do, you'll need to request a change. Once confirmed, click your profile picture in the top right corner to reveal account options and prepare to edit your display information now. You'll edit your display name through Manage Account or Edit Profile. Click the option that appears after opening your profile. Type your preferred first and last name exactly as you want colleagues to see. Include middle initials only if needed. Save the update and understand why propagation takes time. Teams syncs with Azure Active Directory or Microsoft account, which replicates across services. So, be patient and avoid making repeated edits immediately. Wait for the change to propagate before checking results. Once saved, confirm your new name by starting a chat or joining a meeting to see how others view you. If the change doesn't appear, make sure you edited the correct account type. For organizational accounts, contact your IT admin or request an Azure Active Directory update because admins often control profiles. If profiles still show the old name, clear the team's cache, sign out and sign back in. And then wait. Synchronization delays can take up to 20.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.